Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Google Gemini Ask About screen on Android. To do this it's very simple. You have just to open Google Gemini by whatever method you have on your phone. For example, this is the method of my phone, and as you can see I will click on share screen with live and click start now. And as you can see now, I'm sharing my screen with Google Gemini, and I can ask Gemini about anything about the app that I'm using. And when I complete, I have just to go and click on end. And like that, I will end the use of Google Gemini. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. If you have any question, you can type your question in the comment section and I will be sure to answer all of your questions. And until the next video, goodbye.